Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Ooh. Today we're here with RajahWild. RajahWild with a song called Wild Out. Alright, so Wild Out. I'm a month late, but I'm still here. I was told to react to every song on the rhythm, and I'm gonna try to get through them. Them also telling about the labas on the rhythm. Me not irritate. I can't find it. I search it and can't find it. So please give me the name of the song for labas on the rhythm, so I can react to it. If labas on the rhythm, come do react to Valiant already, react to Nigeria already. So with the RajahWild now. So give me the correct name for labas if he's on the rhythm. Alright, so let's jump to the one here. Wild Out. Let's go.
Sinful.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, but one night time, them alive.
One night time.
You see me. You believe.
Yeah.
Never sorry. No, I never. And if you gotta get wild out tonight. Party in my house tonight. If she suck cocky, me a find out tonight. Hey, you know RajahWild out tonight. Out the blue light, for you try out the vice. All I'ma sense then sign out tonight.
Bad. Smooth. Not kill up himself on the vocal, but the video is a different thing. My Wild Out. He not kill up himself on the vocal, but the video itself is a different thing. My Wild Out.
But one night time, them alive. You see me. You believe.
See me, big up. See me records. Yeah.
No, I never.
Yeah.
And if you gotta get wild out tonight. Party in my house tonight. If she suck cocky, me a find out tonight. Hey, you know RajahWild out tonight. Out the blue light, for you try out the vice. All I'ma sense then sign out tonight. A Kiki weed, me fly go Dubai.
Yo, big up Kiki. You know much people sing about Kiki. Kiki are the legendary weed man. Yeah. Man say all them sense them gone. Kiki with them a smoke. Eh?
Vices. All I'ma sense then sign out tonight. A Kiki weed, me fly go Dubai. Left girl we don't wild down to time. She ride the wave like mermaid. She will make it shake like 𝐑𝐄𝐀. On a show like today I'm a birthday.
Clot. She ride the wave like mermaid. She will make it shake like earthquake. Put on a show like today and birthday. Yo, she a go
Dubai. Left girl we don't wild down to time. She ride the wave like mermaid. She will make it shake like 𝐑𝐄𝐀. On a show like today I'm a birthday. If no man I seen I'm a nerd babe. Me I get pussy from a day and I'm a third grade. No of them
long time I get pussy. I don't know. From when I'm in third grade. So I know me used to it. That is what RajahWild is saying. Not me. Even though I said that too, but yeah.
No man I seen I'm a nerd babe. Me I get pussy from a day and I'm a third grade. No of them class bad bitch in the world. But good things coming out the worst ways. I will say you was a nurse babes. And me a fucker make a send for the first year. Sinful. Bad bitch love fuck rat bad. That's that. Boom fat. Do a style that bad dance. She
double rhymes. Fat rat bad.
A nurse babes, and me a fucker make a send for the first year. Sinful, bad bitch love fuck rat bad. That's that. Boom fat. Do a style that bad dance. She make you rotate, call that fun. Yeah, man I seen her you for no gun man. And everywhere me go me carry 4 guns back. You know no senseless if you don't know eruption. Sinful, the fun on no one. She ride the wave like mermaid. And she will make it shake like earthquake. Put on a show like today I'm a birthday. You for no man I seen I'm a nerd babe. Me I get pussy from a day and I'm a third grade. No of them class bad bitch in the world. But good things coming out the worst ways.
You know them all that say yo good things come in small packages. The man that say yo good things coming at the worst way. Yeah, she bad, she go on bad, she good. She come at the worst way.
Bad bitch in the world. But good things coming at the worst ways. I will say you was a nurse babes. And me a fucking make a sell get wild out tonight. Party in my house tonight. If she suck cocky, me a find out tonight. Hey, you know RajahWild out tonight. Out the blue light, for you try out the vibe. All I'ma sense then sign out tonight. A Kiki weed, me fly go Dubai. Left girl we don't wild down to tight. Say right the wave like mermaid. And she will make it shake like earthquake. Put on a show like today I'm a birthday. I up for no man I seen I'm no nerd babe. Me I get pussy from a day in my 3rd grade. No of them class bad bitch in the world yeah. But good things coming out the worst ways yeah. I will you say you was a nurse babe. A nurse babe. Fucking make a send for the first aid. First aid. Not the worst way, believe. Rat bat.
No, I never. Big up.
No.
Yo, yo, big up Rajah, big up Rajah. The video dark. Yeah, RajahWild, big up yourself, bro. Yeah, do it. Young artists, them a do it, dog. Them a do it. So far, everything pan a rhythm shot. From the Valiant to the Nigeria, this shot to like this. So big up RajahWild. You don't know. Yeah, make it happen, bro. Yeah, make it happen. Big up the bad guy about the twinner. We say rat bat. So we have Ratty Gang, we have Rat Bat. Yeah, okay. Yeah, a couple rats out there. So big up the rats, them we say Rat Bat, you know? Yeah. Yo, the song bad, the video itself bad too. Is more calmer on the beat than in the music video. Kind of the music video, a lot of go on. That's why never really to say nothing. Cause more and pick up everything. A lot go on in the music video where bad too. You see me? So yeah, man, big song. Big up Rajah. Yeah. Anyway, this is Mega Lead on. Still, if you enjoyed the one I want to see more from a G, leave a like on the video, subscribe around there if you are new, and I will see you in the next woo. You and I get wild out tonight. Today I'm a